Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I oven smoke my catfish. It's quick, easy, and you love it. Without further ado, as always, let's get to the kitchen and make something for ourselves. You can use the catfish mainly for your stews and soups, okay? Okay, let's begin. No time wasting. I've got my catfish. I've got 3 of them. I'm washing them nicely, as you all can see. And yes, I wash them thoroughly because they are very slimy and you do not want that. So I'm going to use salt, lemon, and vinegar to make them clean and smell good, okay? So keep watching if you want to see how I'm going to clean them up nicely. Look at that, it's so slimy, like okra. Yeah, so I'm going to bring salt first to scrub all of them nicely, okay? And then after that, I'll just use my vinegar to also wash them nicely, and I'll use the lemon juice to wash them, and I'll use the lemon itself, okay, the lemon fruit itself to scrub them as well. Now let's have a little bit of fun washing and cleaning up our catfish, okay? After washing and cleaning up the catfish thoroughly in warm water, I'm going to soak them again for about 10 minutes in salt solution, which I've also added lemon juice and vinegar. Finally, we are here and they are all nicely clean and they smell amazing, so good. I'm going to cut them up into any size of my choice. And here I have chosen to cut them into 3, some into 4. It's all up to you how you want the size to be. You can even leave them like that and just use skewer to just bring them together. Okay, you skewer them together and then you just smoke them in the oven. Okay, but you can also cut them into pieces just as you want them to be. Alright. However, some of the catfish are so small that you don't even need to cut them into pieces. Just leave them like that and skew them together and smoke them. Okay, so guys, look at our catfish. They are nicely cut up. They smell so amazing. Now I've added salt to taste, and you can also use the smoked salt, and that wouldn't be bad at all. It will enhance the smoky effect. Now spread and coat every part of the fish, okay? So now I'm going to use liquid smoke, and this is going to help bring and enhance that smoky effect that we are looking for, okay? It will smell as though it was made in a traditional way, okay? That smoky effect that we get when we buy these catfish on the market, when they are done in the traditional way, that's how this will smell exactly, okay? So now I'm going to grease my rack with palm oil, okay, so that it doesn't get stuck on the rack when it's in the oven, and again so that I can easily turn them over or flip them over, okay? Anyways, I'm going to even use some of the palm oil to coat all of the pieces of catfish I have here so that they will look beautiful, okay? And the palm oil I'm using here is Zomi, and we all know Zomi is already flavorful. So if you're using any normal palm oil, just add some seasonings and it will help your catfish smell good and you will love the outcome, okay? If you're enjoying the video so far and it's helpful, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share this video for others to see, and don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if it's your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome. To enjoy more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, okay? So family, make sure to coat every part of the fish like I'm doing, okay? Both inside and out. All the openings should be coated, okay? Do this before you put them into the oven, and when they are back, you'll see how beautiful they will look, okay? So now we are all done and they are going straight into the oven. So see you soon. There they are. Can you see the water dripping into the tray? And we are back after 3 hours. They look so nice, beautiful. They are not burned. I love it. I love the feel. Look at that. I love the appearance. I'm so loving this. Guys, that is it. That's how I oven smoke my catfish at home for my soups and my stews. Hope you've been inspired. Please don't forget to like, share this video for others to see how easy it is to make your own Adwene or smoked catfish at home. And you can all attest to it that it's expensive out there on the market. Even a piece of the catfish here on the rack can cost you £7, £6, and you can attest to it. And it's quite expensive. So spread the word by sharing this video for others to see. And if they have the time, let them make some for themselves to save a lot of money. Okay? So soon we are all done making our homemade oven smoked catfish or Adwene, and it's well seasoned. It turned out so great. The feel is amazing. The appearance is not damaged. It's not ripped. I like the appearance. And the smoky effect is so on point. Ooh, I love the aroma, the flavor. Everything is so checked. I believe you've been inspired to try this as soon as possible. So I'll keep on air drying and sun drying them out until I finally put them in the fridge or freezer or even in my cabinet. It's all my choice. So I use some of the Adwene or smoked catfish for my light soup. Okay, guys, and that's it. It was amazing. Ooh, thank you all for watching. For more of these videos, please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page, follow me as well on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Thank you for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye, your kiss.